As I say in my recipe here, broccoli with Chinese mushrooms and water chestnuts. Stir fry with the broiler of your toaster oven without stirring or frying. This recipe, along with 250 other really great recipes, is in my cookbook. Pop it in the toaster oven, which you can buy anywhere online or at your favorite bookseller. And here's all it takes. This is 2 cups of fresh. I sliced the florets like this so they're nice and thin. Then here's a can of, you can use water chestnuts. In this case, I'm using bamboo shoots. Here's a half a cup of fresh mushrooms. You can use the Chinese mushrooms that are dried, too. The flavor's going to be a little bit different, but this is still going to be, oh, so delectable. Here is a 1/4 cup of dry white wine. Here's a teaspoon of oyster sauce. A teaspoon of sesame oil. Great flavor if you've never tried it. A tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm setting my toaster oven on broil, and I'm going to be mixing this up. And test your seasonings here. I like salt. So I'm going to add a couple splashes of soy sauce. And then I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of water. All of this goes into, in this case it's like a pie pan, I guess. Okay, we're on broil. The pan goes in. Now you'll notice I set the rack up to the broiling position, and I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes. Turning these vegetables around with these tongs every 5 minutes. Okay, it's 5 minutes. When you do this, you'll want an oven mitt, or I love these tough gloves. They're really great because the broiler is hot. That was 20 minutes. Everything is beautifully done now. Typical of stir fry. If you've had stir fry, you will know that the broccoli is cooked but not mushy. Did you stand over a hot stove with a lot of fat and steam coming at you? Not if you cooked this beautiful broccoli with mushrooms and water chestnuts, or in this case bamboo shoots. Let the toaster oven do it. Sometimes I double the recipe depending on who's coming to dinner. And sometimes I put in pork or chicken. I serve it often with jasmine rice or cellophane noodles. It's a beautiful meal. No stirring, no frying. Just done in the toaster oven. What could be better than that?